In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use horizontal and vertical scroll view in Figma. We'll set up smooth vertical scrolling for long pages and horizontal scrolling for carousels or galleries. All using native Figma settings so your prototypes feel realistic and easy to test. Start by opening your design. Everything we do will live inside a main frame. So make sure your content is placed within a single parent frame rather than floating on the canvas. This keeps the scroll behavior consistent and predictable. Let's begin with vertical scrolling. Arrange all the elements you want to scroll through inside the main frame. If any items are outside, drag them in so they're nested correctly. Next, resize the frame so it's shorter than the content inside it. This is key. Figma only enables scroll when the content is taller than the frame. Now, with the frame selected, look in the right-hand sidebar under the Design panel and turn on Clip Content. This hides anything that spills outside the frame's visible area, giving you a clean viewport. Switch to the Prototype tab. Keep the frame selected and set Overflow to Vertical. This tells Figma to allow up and down movement in the prototype. To preview, select the frame and click the Play button at the top right. In the presentation window, drag vertically to scroll. If it doesn't move, double-check that the frame is indeed shorter than the content and that vertical overflow is set on the correct frame. Now for horizontal scrolling. Place your items, like cards or images, inside their own frame. For consistent spacing and easy reordering, select those items and press Shift+A to apply auto layout. Set the direction to horizontal so the cards line up side by side and adjust spacing to your preference. Resize the container frame's width to match your screen's viewport width, creating a window that reveals only part of the row at a time. With the container frame selected, turn on Clip Content in the Design panel so anything beyond the edges is hidden. Switch to the Prototype tab and set Overflow to horizontal. This enables side-to-side scrolling in the prototype. Again, select the frame and click the Play button at the top right to preview. In the presentation window, click and drag horizontally to explore the content. If it feels off, ensure your container frame is narrower than the total width of the items and that the overflow setting is set to horizontal on the correct frame. That's it. Thanks for watching.